Alright, what's up, y'all? I'm gonna show you something that I think is very important if you're dead broke and you just need to make some extra money. By the way, I'm the CFO of Order Boxes. I'm in the same boat as you. I'm actually rebuilding my social media career after kind of taking a hiatus and going through some trouble in life. But we don't gatekeep here. So first things first, I'm gonna show
15,000.
you the world of theme pages. So I've been building Instagram theme pages. I even have this website that I'm building for clients so they can see what we do, and we use beta backed strategies. So in here, I want to show you something that a lot of people don't talk about when it comes to building an Instagram theme page. Um, Now, with Instagram theme pages, what you have to understand is that you have to niche down. So you see this post right here. I make like these posts that are specific to gaming, and then this one for this page was specifically for celebrities. Maybe it's a person who passed away or a person who's got an achievement as a celebrity, or like there's a new movie coming out, or there's new music news. This is what the Arlie Tour page is for, and that's by far my most followed page right now. What you have to understand too is being niche specific is very important because that is how you're going to get more brand deals. As I'm building these theme pages, you guys will see this in real time, and I'll show you a couple of them. Actually, like, let's go here. So I'm going to search Arlie Tour, and I'm going to show you Showman Minecraft. What you have to understand is that it is very important for it to be not only niche specific, but you have to think about the niche that you're doing anyways. Like, for example, this one seems like it's more like celebrity, maybe some general news, but I'm going to get really focused on this page here soon, but it still is generally like celebrity, music stuff like that. I love how it started. It has an identity that people can get behind, and I think that's why these posts are starting to take off. But also, when it comes to Show Me Games, this one's very specific. And it is going through like a slow growth phase. But the thing about this page is that what I've learned too is that this has actually been helping my YouTube channel that's been dead in the water for a while because I just left it alone. It's bringing it back. And this is why. So a lot of people don't talk about this, but Instagram has automations, as you know, and you can post reels to sell with automations, comment CTAs. The CTA is a call to action, meaning that if someone types, let's say I said, comment game to receive this newsletter or to receive this free guide on how to play or how to prepare for GTA 6, it will automatically send to the DM, right? This is what this is. This is Manychat, right? This Manychat automation has allowed me to gain more um, subscribers or just general emails. And I say, like, this is what I put. I put, like, welcome to the Showman Gaming community. Here you can find my awesome videos, social media channels, and also to my Minecraft builds since I have a Minecraft community over on Snapchat. So the thing is, this is the thing. I've realized that it's better not to post any YouTube videos and build a community first. And I think that if you're an aspiring YouTube creator today or a content creator for TikTok, whatever it is, I would highly suggest just not even posting YouTube videos. Like, just quit YouTube. And I'm not saying like you're going to quit it forever, but there's no point in getting on YouTube and hoping and wishing you have an audience. And even if you have to daily get some videos that go viral, it does not guarantee long-term income. The average lifespan of an influencer is about 6 years. You do not want to be and like, luckily I didn't completely die because I like started learning other skills like stuff like that. But like, I'm saying, like, you want to learn how to use ManyChat because this is the difference between an influencer and a content creator. A content creator is someone who owns their media. They're not just a person who makes content and then, you know, if it doesn't make money on these platforms, they're screwed. That's an influencer. And the content creator is someone who knows how to manage a media company. So you can even call yourself a content business. I want you to start thinking like that. And the strategy for Instagram is so appealing because once you build these pages, there's brands out there that pay you $5,000 for a number of posts a month. Like, for retainers and stuff, or you can even do promotions for music. Like, for example, for the Arley Tour page, I would probably do music promotion since that account is more for celebrities and music news. So this is like, it's all about marketing and positioning, but you have to really niche down. That's why I'm getting very narrow with these pages. And then on top of that, I'm building other ones too that are going to be niche specific. Like I have an anime page, I have a sports page coming. I even have a Nike drops page coming, like a page that's only for like like and this is just gonna be general news. It's gonna be most of the time the news that comes out, that's when I'll post it. It won't be like no, exclusive news or anything because I don't have any. But um yeah, it's gonna be dope though. And then we're just gonna keep building these pages. I think I actually bought an HBO Max page for $20, and the guy didn't know what to do with it. So I was like, hey, I could turn it into a theme page and make it specifically about streaming recommendations from streaming platforms, but a hyper focus on HBO Max. And I might be able to sell the account to HBO Max if the account gets big enough, or whoever owns them, now Warner Brothers or Paramount. I don't know, but that's how you should be thinking, because Instagram has better reach than like all these pages. Like I'll show you recommendations, HBO Max recommendations, a page I just bought, and then I'm basically like gonna retrofit it, and like you see how I've already like kind of optimized it. I made the first post. It's the first post, but the goal is that this page will eventually be the hub for people to come and see like the new stuff that's coming out, HBO Max stuff. I have the app on my phone to keep up with that news thread. But um, yeah, guys, this is crazy. It looks like a couple of followers are coming. I also have a GTA page coming. GTA community. I forget what it's called. They're called I got like two pages. Yeah, there's one of them headlines, and then the other one's community Discord. So this is community Discord. I already made a post. Da da da. And that's just to prepare for GTA 6. And that's why I say, especially you gamers, I would be building theme pages because the reach is so easy. Yeah, you're not getting paid like YouTube, but you can get advertisers, you can get people to pay you. And I would highly suggest learning Manychat, learning how to set up automations. Like I said, look all these contacts, these people I got from using Manychat's AI messages to answer, people that potentially might work with me or whatever, because I set it up. You set it up once and it works, and if you need to set up another automation, you're good. So yeah, it's a very simple automation. I think the comment CT I had for this, I don't even know, but it automatically answers them, sends them to my DM and everything, and that's all you need. This is all you need, so definitely consider it. Look into theme pages. I would build theme pages. Like if I were you, if I were just starting out with social media, I wouldn't do anything. I wouldn't make no videos or nothing unless you're just trying to warm up your Instagram page. Warm them up with like a few reels, like post reels here and there, but like don't even stress on that. Just like maybe if you post 2 or 3 reels a day, and then post those news posts, man, and just like keep up with what's going on news. I promise you, you can do it within 30 days. Like it's not even crazy. Like it's so crazy you can do it in 30 days. Just do that. I wouldn't do anything else right now. That's just to build that rapport. And more people, it's surprising because there's more people that engage with platforms like Facebook and Instagram because they don't have to do anything. On YouTube, there's a little bit more effort. They have to comment and put a good comment, and like it's not a very social place. YouTube is like specifically mostly for viewing content, and then maybe you can comment, right? But Instagram allows people to have conversations around that. YouTube is not a conversational platform. That's why I say it's better to do Instagram and then build your YouTube. You know, I wouldn't do anything. I wouldn't do TikTok. I swear on my life. Dude, they will pay you more for an Instagram ad post because the audience is so specific and potent. If you built the theme page right, I would literally do nothing else. Like seriously, nothing else. I would do nothing else but build theme pages to where I have enough leverage where I can go DM a brand and say, hey, would you like me to place you on my page for a retainer a couple times, or even if they pay you a one-off $40, $50 story post. And then if you do a page post, this is where it's going. And I would cross post with Facebook and stuff, but yeah, guys, I would hop on this immediately. It's the biggest opportunity right now, and the reach is free. Instagram isn't making you pay to get this type of reach. So do it while it's still free. I wouldn't do anything else. I would establish myself as a publisher on the Meta platforms right now.